Yeah, it's kind of like the the red one in the back. It's kind of like that one, but he got a torque converter and stuff on it. I gotta get the pictures. I gotta get the pictures from him. But I think I'm about to go pick it up right now. Yeah, I'm about to go pick it up right now for real. But now let me go in here. Yeah, guys, we got him out the way, man. Got some room in the garage. That's a bet. Got some more stuff to clean up, organize. But you feel me? We come together. We come together. But yeah, man. Y'all just stay tuned for the next one. And